Hello friends, this is Rakesh. Today I'll be demonstrating a new financial tool called EasyEMI made by me. This is the second financial model in my series of practical everyday use applications. Why do we need this model? Okay, let us think that you are planning to buy a house and are looking for taking a housing loan. So you proceed to the website of a bank which is quite well known for housing development and finance. This bank has a very helpful EMI calculator on its website. I think I'll need about 70 lakh rupees as a loan. So I go and key it in 70 lakhs. Wow, the EMI comes to 53,852 rupees. I would probably have to take another loan to repay this loan. It's much more than what I'm willing to pay every month, which is say 40,000 rupees. So I have to do a lot of hit and trial to check the amount of loan which I can get for this amount of EMI. So alright, I put in 60 lakh rupees. EMI comes to 46,158, still above my targeted amount. 50 lakhs, 38,465. I am willing to pay more than that. But unfortunately, there is no calculator available which will link up the EMI with the total amount of loan that I can get. This is where EasyEMI will come to your help. I key in the period, which is 20 years, interest, which is 6.9%, the affordable amount of EMI which I am willing to pay is 40,000 rupees. Own contribution which is required to be made is 20%. I just click here. Wow. Immediately I get the result. The maximum amount of loan that I can take will be 51,99,479 rupees. Including the down payment, the cost of asset, that is my house, should not exceed 64,99,000, say 65 lakhs. I'll end up paying around 96 lakhs for the loan amount, of which the interest component will be 44 lakhs and 521 rupees. Let us go to the bank's website and see whether these calculations are correct. So here we are back on the bank's website. I will now add the total amount of loan which has been given by the model at this point, which is 51 lakhs 99,000 and 479 rupees. 479. There you are. It tells me that the monthly EMI would come to 40,000. The interest component will be 44 lakhs 522 rupees, and the total amount which I will repay will be 96 lakhs and 1 rupee. Exactly what the model told me. And here are the model's calculations once again. 51 lakhs 99,479 rupees loan will give me an interest component of 44 lakhs 521, and total amount that will be repaid will be 96 lakh rupees. Here is a ready reckoner for you. This table will show you that for a given interest rate of 6.9% and different amounts of EMIs and for different years, how much loan can be taken. So for 40,000 rupees of EMI and for 20 years, the loan amount will be 51 lakhs 99,479. As you can see from this table, the loan amount for a given number of years will keep on increasing with the affordable EMI amount. Similarly, for a given EMI amount, the loan amount will keep on increasing for the number of years. Likewise, if the affordable EMI is fixed at 40,000 rupees and the interest rates vary between 6% to say 12%, and for the same number of years of 5 years to 30 years, the loan amounts are given in this table. As you can see here, as the interest rates increase, for a given number of years, the loan amount starts decreasing. or for a given interest rate, the loan amount keeps increasing with the number of years. So suppose the bank is charging you between 8% to 9%, say 8.5%, and you are looking for a loan which is for 20 years, the loan amount that you will be taking will be somewhere in between these two numbers, 47.82 lakhs or 44.45 lakhs, somewhere in between. From the previous table, if your EMI amount that you can afford is between 30,000 and 35,000, then for 20 years the loan amount that will be available to you would be somewhere in between these two numbers, 38.99 lakhs or 45.49 lakhs. If the EMI amount that you can afford to pay is 32,000 rupees, in that case the loan amount will be closer to the figure of 38.99 lakhs. Now this model is useful for all kinds of loans. For example, suppose you are looking to buy a car. The bank is going to give you a loan for say 5 years at a rate of interest which is say 7.75%, and the EMI that you are willing to pay towards your car is say 15,000 rupees. So what is the value of the car that you can go for? The model tells you that the maximum loan that will be available to you at this EMI is 7.44 lakhs, and the cost of car should not exceed 9.3 lakhs. Good, right? Similarly, suppose you are a corporate. Now you are willing to buy a machinery by taking a bank loan. The bank is giving you a loan for 7 years. The interest rate it is charging is 11.2%, and the company has worked out from its cash flows that it can pay an EMI of say 4 lakhs per month. So what can be the cost of machinery which you can opt for? Here it is. The cost of asset should not exceed 2.9 crores, because the loan that you will be able to afford at this cash flow of 4 lakhs rupees per month is 2 crores and 32 lakhs. Interesting, right? But of course, you would need this model if you wish to work out different permutations and combinations of years and interest rates and EMIs to work out how much loan you can get. I'll be happy to send you a sample file of EasyEMI if you can send me a message at finpundit@gmail.com. I'll be putting up more such models which are of practical use in the near future. So please do subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my new submissions. Thanks for watching. Good day.